Listen up, because this is where most people with money and drive fall flat. They get stuck in the usual game, tossing cash at funds or startups, hoping for a hit, while the real chances slip right by. You're out here sweating to build something real, trying to make every move count, yet the frustration piles up. Watching deals go down that you don't get to touch, knowing deep inside you're missing out on the real juice, the deals where you sit at the table, side by side with the big players. That feeling when you realize your capital isn't working hard enough because you're a few steps too far from the action. It's maddening, isn't it? Being a founder, investor, or leader, push to trust intermediaries, while they take their cuts and decisions that can make or break your legacy. You deserve better. You need better. Co-investment isn't just a buzzword. It's the move that separates the crowd from the few who actually control their future. This is how you cut through the noise and get straight into the deals that matter. You don't settle anymore for being a distant backer. You partner directly. You take your slice next to the lead investors, the founders you believe in, the operators building the future. This isn't some safety net. It's a laser-focused strike on opportunity. You get skin in the game, influence on strategy, and a chance to double down where your knowledge gives you an edge. No more sitting back while others decide your fate. It's raw, it's real, and it's yours to grab. But here's the brutal truth. Co-investment isn't just about jumping in. It's about strategy, discipline, and connections that open doors most won't even knock on. People talk about diversification like it's a cage for your money. Co-investment lets you break that cage by picking the right deals with the right partners. The smartest founders and investors know the value here. They engage early, they lead or co-lead, and they partner with teams they trust. Ones aligned with their vision, not just chasing quick wins. This is about multiplying your upside while sharpening your insight into the business, not about spreading too thin or playing safe behind layers of middlemen. If you're still stuck wondering how to get in, here's what you need to do. First, stop waiting for an invitation. Show up relentlessly, bring ideas, build trust, and prove you're not just a wallet, but a real asset. Find founders who need your expertise, not just your checkbook. Align with seasoned operators who value your involvement, not just your capital. Trust isn't handed out. It's earned through fire-tested collaboration and real value add. That means rolling up your sleeves, being available when it counts, and pushing beyond the typical investor role. If you want co-investment, you have to be indispensable. Next, sharpen your focus. Don't chase every deal that looks shiny. Get granular. Identify sectors or founders who resonate with your unique background and where you can actually help move the needle. The best co-investors don't just write checks. They bring something to the table that changes the odds in their favor. Make your capital count not by volume, but by impact. Finally, beware the traps. Co-investment sounds easy, but it's a minefield of blind commitments and late-stage entry that kills returns. Don't just follow the herd or join deals after all the risk has been juggled away. Be the one who steps in early. That's where real transformation happens. You'll see your frustration vanish when you start forging these connections right at the source, not from the sidelines. This is the ultimate play for anyone serious about owning their space, not renting it. The control, the insight, the power, it's all in co-investment if you go about it the right way. So stop complaining about missed chances and start demanding your seat at the table. Build those partnerships. Go deep. Invest your mind, your experience, your time, not just your money. That's how you break free from the noise and carve out real legacy and real freedom. No shortcuts, no excuses, just a sharp, clear path forward. If you want your capital to mean something, get in the game properly. Co-investment is how leaders take back control. When you do it right, it's not just investing, it's winning on your terms. Now, get to work. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.